Hi guys, so as promised, I said I was going to give us another recipe for fondant. So very quickly, we have 1.4 kg of icing sugar. What is this 1.4? 1 kg and 400 grams. That is 1.4. We have 2 teaspoons of CMC, 100 grams of glucose, and 3 egg whites. That is egg white from 3 large eggs. That's all. Just these 4 ingredients. As a matter of fact, this is my best fondant recipe. I know too bad do the other one, but I still they do them. Okay, so let's get right into it. You sieve your icing sugar. Don't forget to sieve your icing sugar. I say I just they talk, they go. I they yap my madam. So you sieve your icing sugar, then you transfer about 200 grams or 300 grams, any amount of grams you want, transfer it back. The essence of transferring it back is to be able to house the glucose. It's a gummy. Okay, so if you pour it direct, it's going to stick to the pan. So you put icing sugar, maybe like 100 grams, then you add 100 on top of it, or you add 200 grams, 300 grams, whichever gram you add. The point is that you must add, it will just help you to add extra 100 grams on top of it. You transfer it back into the remaining icing sugar. Okay, you add your CMC, 2 teaspoons, you add your egg whites, then you start mixing. After mixing, you start kneading. Then when it's beginning to come together, you clear your table. Don't forget to clean it and wipe with vinegar. Then you transfer to your table and start kneading. You just need, don't be deceived though. It may be looking like, oh, it's not coming together. It's definitely not a 2 seconds affair, but just keep kneading. It's going to come together and you have your fondant. So in the next post, I'm going to show you the cake we covered. Cheers. Bye. See you in the next class.